Welcome to this platform tutorial video. What's up everybody? My name is Jai Gallo, and in this video we're going to be showing you how to leave an internal note for one of your members. The main purpose of an internal note on a member is basically so that you can write a little note about that member as a reminder for you. There's lots of use cases for that, lots of times where you'll want to identify a member short of a tag. You can also use a tag as well, but this is kind of like an opportunity for you to leave a little bit more of a note so that you can remember when you get back to that member what that person's deal was. So I'm going to show you that in a second. It's pretty cool, but I wanted to first say that if you have any questions about internal notes on a member or any questions about anything else inside of Platform, navigate to the support hub in your creator dashboard at the top here, and then go through all of our FAQ questions here, our frequently asked questions. These are just drop down menus, and you can click it and there's a video inside or there's text inside, and you can consume that information and hopefully it'll help you out get really fast answers without waiting for us to respond. Or you can click chat with us, and if we're online, you can chat with us through a private chat one-on-one and we'll help you out with whatever you need. If we're not online, you can submit a ticket to us, or alternatively, you can click the help docs at the top here and it's going to take you to our help center. You can go through all of our documentation about Platform in more detail. If for some reason you have an online business and you don't have a Platform account right now, go to platformarea.com and sign up for a free trial today. Try it out for your business and see how much it can benefit your online sales. Okay, let's add an internal note to one of our members. From the Platform Creators dashboard, go to Members, and then you're going to come to your list of members that you have either added manually, you have imported, or you have actually onboarded. So to add an internal note, all you're going to do is click right here where it says add note, and you're going to add a note. Let's just add a small note that says thinks he's smart. And we're going to save that. And now you have a little note that as you're looking through and scrolling through all of your members, you can see like, oh, okay, I remember this guy. You know, that's basically what this note is. It's a, hey, I remember this person and this was this person's deal. To edit this, we can just click add note again and it's going to bring it up where we can edit it. So he never paid, and you can click save, and there you have a note, and you can use that for whatever purpose that you need. And I think that you'll find as you're managing your members that you'll want to add some kind of note to them. Certain ones you're going to want to add a note like, hey, this guy is a problem, or this is a really great member. Whatever it may be, you might want to add a note to them. So you can do that with add notes inside of your Platform members list. Just another convenient feature inside of Platform that helps you manage your members inside of your membership site with ease. If you have any questions about this or anything else, hit us up in chat and I will talk to you on the next video.